Today, we're diving deep into a product that's been making waves in the world of location tracking, Scannero. Whether you're a concerned parent, a business owner, or just someone who wants to keep tabs on their loved ones, Scannero promises to be the ultimate solution. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Scannero is a cutting-edge location tracker that uses advanced technology to pinpoint the exact location of a mobile device. It's designed to be user-friendly, efficient, and reliable. But what sets it apart from other trackers on the market? How Scannero works. Scannero operates by sending a discrete SMS to the target device. Once the message is opened, it captures the GPS location and sends it back to you. This process is quick and seamless, ensuring you get real-time updates without any hassle. Key features: real-time tracking. Scannero provides live updates on the location of the target device. This is particularly useful for parents wanting to keep an eye on their children or employers monitoring their field staff. User-friendly interface. The app is designed with simplicity in mind. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate and use. Discrete operation. The SMS sent to the target device is subtle and doesn't raise any alarms, ensuring the tracking remains confidential. Compatibility. Scannero works on both Android and iOS devices, making it versatile and accessible to a wide range of users. Detailed reports. You can access comprehensive reports that include location history, making it easier to track movements over time. Pros of Scannero. Accuracy. One of the standout features of Scannero is its accuracy. It can pinpoint locations with remarkable precision, often down to a few meters. Ease of use. The app's intuitive design means you don't need to be a tech expert to use it effectively. Real-time updates. The ability to get live updates is a significant advantage, especially in situations where time is of the essence. Discrete tracking. The subtle SMS ensures that the tracking remains confidential, which is crucial for many users. Cross-platform compatibility. Whether you're using an Android or an iOS device, Scannero has you covered. Cons of Scannero. Dependence on SMS. The tracking relies on the target device opening the SMS. If the message is ignored or deleted, the tracking won't work. Internet connection required. For Scannero to function effectively, both the target and the tracking devices need a stable internet connection. Without it, the accuracy and timeliness of the updates can be compromised. Real-world applications. Parental control. Parents can use Scannero to ensure their children are safe and where they should be. It's a great tool for peace of mind. Employee monitoring. Employers can keep track of their field staff, ensuring they are where they need to be and improving overall productivity. Personal safety. If you're traveling alone or in an unfamiliar area, Scannero can be a valuable tool for ensuring your safety. Additional insights. Let's delve a bit deeper into the technical aspects and practical uses of Scannero. The app's ability to provide geofencing is another noteworthy feature. Geofencing allows you to set up virtual boundaries around specific areas. When the target device enters or exits these areas, you receive instant notifications. This feature is particularly useful for parents who want to ensure their children stay within safe zones or for businesses monitoring the movement of their assets. Moreover, Scannero's battery consumption is optimized to ensure that it doesn't drain the target device's battery quickly. This is a crucial aspect because many tracking apps tend to consume a lot of power, which can be a giveaway. Scannero, however, balances functionality with efficiency, making it a reliable choice for long-term tracking. Ethical considerations. While Scannero offers numerous benefits, it's important to address the ethical considerations of using such a tool. Tracking someone's location without their consent can lead to serious privacy violations. It's crucial to use Scannero responsibly and ensure that all parties involved are aware and have given their consent. For parents, it's advisable to have an open conversation with their children about why tracking is necessary and how it can help ensure their safety. Scannero offers a robust solution for location tracking with its real-time updates, accuracy, and user-friendly interface. However, it's not without its drawbacks, such as dependence on SMS and the requirement of internet connection. If you're looking for a reliable way to track a mobile device, Scannero is worth considering. If you're interested in learning more about Scannero or want to give it a try, check out the link below to visit the product's official website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest tech products.